Balloon English. Hi, I'm Ilaiimo. Let's play together. Let's go. Let's play. I must be hungry. Maybe I should eat something. Let me find something. I'll be back. What should I eat? Ooh, these pancakes look really delicious. I think I want to eat some pancakes. What do I need? Let's go grocery shopping. Let's go together. Follow me. Ta-da! Here I am. Wow, it's so big and there's so many things. Let's go shopping. What do I need to buy first? Here's my grocery list. Wow! I went grocery shopping. What did I buy? Some milk, some sprinkles, sugar powder, some chocolate pens, eggs, pancake mix, some strawberries, blueberries, a tangerine, and a phone. Hello? Who is it? What? They hung up on me. Oh, it's a banana. Do you know how to make pancakes? Let's make them together. I'll show you how. Let's go. Now, let's mix the egg and milk together, and then we'll put the pancake mix in. Let's go. Hello? Who's knocking at my door? Hello?
Ella!
Who is it?
You there?
Yes?
Hey, this is Jay.
Oh, hi, Jay.
Hey, what's up?
How are you? I'm making pancakes for breakfast. Would you like to join?
Making what?
Pancakes.
Hey, but first you need to open the door so that I can, step in.
Oh, you're right. Okay, I'll be there in 1 minute. Sorry, hang on a second. I'll be right back. I'm back with my neighbor, Uncle Jay, and this is his best friend, Private from Madagascar.
Hi guys, I'm Uncle Jay, and this is my best friend, Private. Hey Ella, I didn't know you were able to cook.
Anybody can cook as long as you have a recipe.
Really?
Yeah.
Show me.
Okay, like this.
What's this? May I taste it?
Sure.
Tastes like... So show me how to make them.
Let's take this pancake mix and you put it in the bowl like this.
Really?
And then you take the whisk and you mix it around. There's a lot of batter, so you have to keep mixing it.
Ella, is this all you got?
Yes. Why? Can you do better?
Obviously.
Go ahead.
Okay, Private, wait a second. 찌리. Ta-da!
Wow,
It's done.
it looks a little chunky.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we need to do. Wow. You need to mix it so it looks like this. Can you help me? Pour it in. Whoa. Oh my gosh. So much. Whoa,
Cheaty,
whoa,
cheaty,
whoa, whoa.
cheaty, 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 cheaty. Oh, sorry. My bad.
Hey.
Really? It looks good. I mean, it tastes good.
Here's our hot plate. Now, let's cook a pancake.
Ooh,
Ready?
so hungry.
By the way, this is really hot, so you have to be very careful. Don't touch it, okay?
Don't touch it, okay?
Ready? Ah. Pour it. More. How big do we want the pancake? Is that okay?
Let's make it bigger here.
Okay. One more pancake. Pour. It's pouring.
Looks really good.
And it looks really big. When it starts bubbling a lot, then you can flip it over and it'll be golden brown.
Really?
Yes. Quick. Flip it over. Let's see. What does it look like?
Ooh.
Brown.
Oh, this is what we call golden brown.
Yes.
Ooh, let me try this one.
Can you do it? Can you do it?
Guys, 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Oh! I did it! Balloon.
They should be golden brown on both sides.
Golden brown. Like this.
It's getting bigger. A pancake mountain.
Wow, pancake mountain.
That would be really nice. A pancake mountain.
Thousands of pancakes. Can you imagine?
Hey, Uncle Jay. Why don't you try flipping it over and checking the other side?
Sure. We're gonna count.
Yeah.
1, 2,
3,
4, 5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Yup.
It's done.
Golden brown. Let me try this one.
1, 2, 4.
7.
That one's
Ooh,
also done.
nice. Let's eat.
No, not yet.
Oh, so hot.
Why did you touch it? Are you okay?
Because I'm so hungry. Let's eat.
You have to wait. It's very hot right now. You can't touch that.
Let's eat.
But I want to have a contest.
Contest? What contest?
I want to make you a surprise pancake.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Ah, we're ready now. Let's eat.
Not yet. Not yet.
Again? Why?
We have to make a special pancake.
Okay, what's special pancake?
Let me show you. Okay?
Sure.
It's a secret. You have
What are
to
you
wait.
making?
It's a secret. I told you.
Secret.
First, I'm going to cut the pancakes. Yes. How is your friend doing?
He's hungry.
I'm going to cut the edges. Cut.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mmm, delicious.
And
Guys,
flip it.
remember, don't use fingers. Use colors.
Cutlery,
Yep,
a fork,
fork and a knife.
or chopsticks.
You don't eat pancakes with hands.
He does.
I do, because I'm Uncle Jay.
Here, eat some more pancakes.
Thank you. Oh, it's like mustache. Look at me. What do you think?
Looks really good.
Really?
Yeah, you should keep that. Cut. Remember, don't use a knife alone. Ask somebody for help. Ooh, that looks nice. Wow.
What are you making?
Here's some crumbs.
Thank you.
Decorate with some cream.
What is that?
It's whipped cream.
Oh, whipping cream.
Whipped cream.
Oh, sorry, private.
Is he okay?
He's hungry, I told you.
Give him some pancake. Share with your friend. Should I put some up here? Cream. Ooh, is it dripping? And dark chocolate. Secret, secret.
Whatever, I'm just so hungry.
Secret.
Please finish
And
it
let me
early.
take some fruit. Oh, cute. And
cute.
some blueberries. Blueberries, 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 blueberries.
Hair?
Hair. It's a hippo.
Oh, I get it.
Hair.
This is Uncle Jay.
If Uncle Jay is a hippo, it's Uncle Jay.
What? Hippo? Oh, you're making a hippo. Oh, okay. It's a hippo.
It's a hippo.
Why is it a hippo?
How does it look?
Let me try.
Don't do that at home.
Delicious.
That's dirty.
It's very sweet.
Oh, no, no, no. That's not good.
Secret, do you want some?
Oh,
Oh, he likes it.
well,
So this is hippo?
it's a hippo. No, it's you.
Do you know what hippo is? Ta-da!
A hippo!
Ela says it's hippo, so it's a hippo. Woohoo!
Hippo, 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 hippo.
So can I eat? Can I eat finally?
Yep. Eat it. Hippopotamus.
Let's eat. Guys, don't use hand.
Don't be like Uncle Jay.
Mmm.
Is it good?
I just ate hippo's nose.
His nostril. It's gone. You're a monster.
I'm going to eat hippo's ear. And I'm gonna dip with chocolate, whipping cream. You want some?
Ah,
Really?
ah.
No, thank you. Mmm. Good. Oh, I ate whole hippo
Was it good?
and I feel good.
It feels good.
But I'm still hungry, Ella.
I'll make you another one. A surprise.
So another secret?
A secret surprise.
Whatever. Go ahead. Secret all the time.
Secret all the time. Da, 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 da. Many tangerines. How many tangerines are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. Why am I counting?
Why not? Counting is fun. I love to count. I'm gonna use some chocolate sauce.
Sure.
That was really good, wasn't it?
Oh, you dropped it. Thank you. What's this, by the way?
Chocolate,
It's
chocolate.
white chocolate.
Yummy chocolate.
Mmm, delicious.
That's dirty. Bananas. Here. And
Ooh, I know what it is.
do you really? What is it?
It's a sunflower.
Not really.
Really?
I think that's wrong.
Oh, it's a face of my father.
Let me give you a hint. How about that?
What?
Does that ring a bell?
What's what?
The
What is
king of the jungle?
crocodile?
Roar! Guys, what is this? Can you tell me? What's this?
Wait a minute.
La 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 la. Ooh, you're right. Wow.
Guys, this is lion.
Lion.
Now, can we eat?
눌주세요.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm eating lion's eyeball.
Eat the whole eye.
Mmm, the eyeball is very, very juicy. I like it. It's like survival.
I'm taking this away from you.
Ila, oh wait a minute, I gotta go.
Oh, really?
I gotta go play soccer. Remember?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
You told me that.
I will eat another eyeball next time. Okay? Save it for me.
No, stay away from the eyeballs.
Guys, anyway, I gotta go. Bye bye, Ila.
Bye.
See you. Bye. Bye. See you.
To make something look better by putting things on it is decorate. Decorate, decorate, decorate. You can decorate a tree. You can decorate a cake. You can decorate your clothes. Let's decorate something. Put on, put on, put on. You can put something on the table. You can put on your glasses. You can put on a hairpin. Can you put on some music, please? Was that fun? If it was fun, please like,
Subscribe. Subscribe.